how to fix payment issue on Roblox mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like payment issue or payment unsuccessful on Roblox mobile. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Roblox with your account. Alright, so after you open the application Roblox with your account, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to tap on the option more just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and go the option settings. Alright, so from the settings section you'll have to tap on account info. Alright, so from this account info, make sure that your account is verified. So you have to provide your name, username, your email ID, and also you have to verify with your email ID or login method. So after you verify your account, you'll be able to see your verified icon here. So if you have verified your account and is still facing the problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so from the settings you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go the options like wallet and Apple Pay. Okay, so from this section you'll have to just scroll down and from here tap on add card, and now from here you can easily add your debit card or credit card, or you can also add your transit card. So after you made the payment method from here, you'll be able to fix that problem like you can't make a payment on Roblox mobile app. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.